All right, man. I normally don't do these kind of videos as far as what's in the bag or what should I pack with me if I go to whenever I go to Southeast Asia. But I've gotten like a ton of people, like 500 people, reach out to me on Instagram and Snapchat, asking me if I could, or asking me, what do I take with me when I come to Southeast Asia? What should I, what should I carry in the bag, pretty much? So I was like, let me just do a video. So if anybody asks me that question again, I can just send them a video. Let me just show y'all. I'm gonna try to. It's gonna be quick because I don't pack too much stuff when I come to Southeast Asia, and that's my best advice for you. If you come to Southeast Asia, that's my best advice. Pack as light as possible, man. Like, even when you think that you packed light already, man, throw some more clothes out, throw some more stuff out the bag, man. Just pack as light as possible. Trust me on this, because at the end of the day, when you're in Southeast Asia, a lot of times people try to bring extra clothes and they trying to dress all fashion, wear all this fashion type stuff. Like, you're gonna sweat it out anyway. It's very humid out here wherever you go, whether it's Thailand, Philippines, Cambodia, Bali, is real humid. So anytime you walk out this hotel, you're gonna sweat, So let me just show y'all what I take with me. So let's just show y'all. All right, I try to always pack at least one pair of jeans whenever I go to these different countries. So you definitely want to pack some jeans. I normally wear these when I'm on the flight, so like some little sweatpants or something like that. And the good thing about these, they got the zipper on the pockets. So this is a good thing too when you travel to these different countries. You don't have to worry about nobody trying to reach in your pockets or nothing like that. So you definitely want to pack a pair of sweatpants. And then whenever I pack all my stuff into my suitcase, I like to keep everything organized. So this is something that you can get from like Walmart. This kind of keeps everything organized, because a lot of times people just throw their clothes inside the suitcase. They try to fold them up nice and neat, but at the same time you gotta try to dig around, like try to find your shirts, your socks, your drawers. If you know exactly which one's which, everything's organized. So I know these is my shirts. I know these is my basketball shorts. I know these are my drawers, my socks, stuff like that. So everything's well organized. Now, as far as how much to bring, as far as shirts, socks, drawers, I would bring 7 of each. As far as 7 socks, 7 drawers, I would bring 7 shirts, but I would focus only on bringing like workout type shirts. All my shirts are pretty much workout shirts, very thin. So if I sweat, every time I go outside, I'm going to sweat. So when I sweat, these dry up in like 10 minutes. As far as basketball shorts, I would bring maybe just 2. All right, 2 basketball shorts. You don't want to bring too much. 'Cause like I said, it's very hot out here, but at the same time, they have a washer and dryer on every corner. All right, like even in my hotel right here, there's a washer. Okay, so I can always wash clothes anytime I need to. I was looking for my hoodie. Hold on. Okay, it's in here. I was like, damn, I know I brought my hoodie with me. I know I ain't tripping. But yeah, you definitely want to bring a hoodie, because you never know, like different airplanes that you get on, or different buses, trains. A lot of times they keep the air going, so it's always cold. So this is definitely something that you want to bring, a hoodie, because you never know when you're gonna be stuck on like a bus or a train or something for a long period of time. So that's something that'll keep you warm. I carry this backpack with me, like a little small bag like this. So whenever you're out and about, you can kind of carry your stuff with you. And on this bag, it has a little zipper on the side right here, or kind of in the back. So if anybody tries, I keep all my important stuff right here, so can't nobody just reach right into it and grab it. Because while it's on my back, they can't just, take anything. So this is something that you definitely want to bring. And I bring an extra bag of shirts strictly for, cause pretty much every time I go to a different country, I meet up with the homegirls and stuff like that. And for like little photo shoots, taking pictures and stuff. So I always kind of bring extra shirts for them. So for all the ladies that's out there, if I'm ever coming to your city or your country or wherever you're from, just hit me up and I'll pull up on you, stop by, drop you off a shirt or something, take some pictures, record some videos and stuff like that. I normally bring an extra pack of shirts and stuff. And then let's see what else we got. Let's move all this to the side. Okay, then I normally bring like a trash bag. Never know if I have to put some laundry in here or if it's raining outside, might have to put the trash bag over me or something. Let's see what else I got in here. Medicine. I know, like, every time I came out here, I normally kind of get sick the first like week or two. I guess it's just my body trying to get used to everything, the new environment or something. But off spray, these mosquitoes will tear you up out here. And then this is important right here. Yeah, this is real important, man, because depending on the country you go to, they have different outlet plugs. So I know when we was in Singapore, if I didn't have this with me, I wouldn't be able to charge anything up. So this pretty much saved the day when I was out there in Singapore. It's a universal plug, so you can plug. You can use this all around the world, whether you're in China, Australia, Africa, Southeast Asia, wherever you're at, you can use this. So you can get this at Walmart or something for like $7. You definitely want to get you one of these. Then I like to bring sandals because you know you're gonna be at the beach probably, you know, while you're out here. And then you know, just an extension cord because some of these hotels don't really have a lot of plugs, so you definitely want to need one of these. I remember the last hotel I was at, they only had one plug in there, and thank God I had this. I wouldn't get nothing charged up. And then one of these as well. This is something I keep all like my soap, shampoo, deodorant. You know, this kind of keeps everything organized. So I kind of take that with me. Because, you know, whenever you out here, man, you don't want to just have a heavy bag that you're carrying around everywhere. You want to keep it nice and light. So, I mean, that's all I pack. You definitely want to pack a little bit of this, man. All right. You definitely want to pack this, man, because a lot of times, man, people will they would say like, I'm gonna just take my credit card with me or my debit card. If I ever need some cash, I'm gonna just pull it off the, you know, go to the ATM machine and stuff like that. You can, I mean, of course, you know, you can do it like that, but I've had problems with the ATM machine where, you know, I wasn't able to, I guess my card didn't work at certain ATM machines. So, and you might be in a situation where you're out of cash and you need some cash to, you know, go and exchange this money for, you know, their currency or whatever the case may be. Or a lot of these places out here, they don't even accept credit cards depending on where you're going. So you definitely want to have some cash on you that you can exchange. You know, at least bring an extra like $500 in cash just in case you need to exchange some money or something. But of course, the more the better. You know, at least if you can, you know, 5,000 with you or something like that. That way you don't have to constantly try to go to the ATM and hoping that it works and stuff like that. So carry some cash with you. And I think that's pretty much it. And then as far as I was gonna do the camera bag, but that's like a whole nother video. Cause I do care, cause for the people that's looking to travel and record videos while you out here and take pictures, photo shoots and stuff like that, I'll do a video strictly for my camera bag. But this video is strictly for the person that's just casually just coming out here on a vacation just to travel and explore, you know. So when you come out here, don't bring too much stuff. Pack as light as possible. Everything that you need, they have it out here. If you need more clothes, if you need food, if you need deodorant, whatever you need, they have it all out. They got, trust me, they got stores out here. They ain't no, when people think of third world country, they think, oh, it's just like nothing out there. You know, they have actual malls, they have restaurants, they have anything that you could think of in the States. They got it all out here. That's why I say pack extremely light. Everything is pretty cheap out here. So, you know, you'll be good to go. So, yeah, the next video I'll probably do like what's in the bag as far as my camera equipment on kind of what I bring out here and stuff like that. So, all right, hopefully this helped you out. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And, yeah, more videos coming soon already.
Earn the game, now I teach you with pride. Turn my phone to a check, let my hustle collide. With the blessings I was stressing, now I'm taking that ride. All gas, no brakes, now I'm cruising through life. Put my people on too, it ain't just for me. We all saving, we all winning, that's family. No No gatekeepers here, it's that loyalty. If I eat, you eat, that's supposed to be. I ain't forget them nights I cried, wondering how I survived. But now I swipe and I save, and the income multiply. I ain't believe at first they laughed till they saw the flight I passed. Hotel suites, beach views, now they asking how I do it. While I spend